Oh, look at this one. Thank you for being patient, but we are back. Jane Nation, we got something. I'm Mila from the Johnson Dynasty.
And it's your girl Nina, and we are back today with another vlog, guys. Today we are doing something different, and Mila is so excited. Tell them what we're doing today, Mila.
We're going fidget shopping.
Yay! We've seen some YouTubers that we follow do this. Fidget, I really didn't know what a fidget was. Mila was always talking about it, and then we watched some YouTubers do it. I'm gonna give them a shout out because they definitely inspired this video. KAATV, thanks for inspiring us to do this. You guys definitely put it in Mila's head that we should be shopping for fidgets. And also, keeping up with the Griffins. You guys also inspired Mila. So thank both of y'all so much for having me and Boona go out and spend money on fidgets. Thanks. What else are we gonna shop for, Mila? Fidgets and what else?
Store slime.
Slime. And guys, again, I'm not really too familiar with these fidgets, so I can't wait to see them. We're going to go to Target. Where else are we going? Five Below.
I didn't even know we were going to Target.
Goodness. All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go check out these fidgets, do a little fidget shopping, and we will see y'all when we get there. If you were already a resident of J Nation, what do we want to say to them, memes?
Subscribe.
No. They're already a resident. They already know. We want to say thank you.
Thank you.
If you are not a resident of J Nation, then what do they need to do, girlfriend?
Subscribe.
Okay, and what else? Everybody should like it. And then hit that bell so y'all never miss when we post. Because we try to post all the time. Well, not all the time, but.
And comment down below fidgets.
Comment down below fidgets. Alright, guys, we will see y'all when we get to our first destination.
Alright, we done made it to Target. Now we finna go see if they got some fidgets. Fidget stop number 1. Let's get going.
What are these? Look, this is Nickelodeon.
Fidget.
This is Nickelodeon slime. Oh, look at this one. Look, look, man. You like that one?
Looking at the dinosaur.
Oh, look at these.
That's foam. That's
Look.
foam. That's not slime.
What is it?
It's foam.
Oh. Look at this. Have you ever played with this before?
I want the green one.
Oh, God.
Look, Mavi.
Look, Mavi. Got that one? Whoa.
And then it light up, and he can hit Mila with it. What?
He said he could hit Mila with it. Y'all hear this? And that's exactly what he's gonna do. All right, we gotta find the fidgets. Okay, look. Yeah.
Them fidgets?
Yes,
Yeah.
puppets.
All right, we finally found a couple fidgets.
I want the fidget.
Are they called fidgets?
Can you grab them and hand it to her, baby? No, we are short. They got kinetic sand.
What is this? Is it slime?
This is slime.
Is that slime?
Is it?
I don't know.
It's like Fruit Loops in it.
Look, there's
Oh, that's cool. Ew, look.
and there's green.
And she just had a kiwi. Let's get some of these. Look at these guys.
What is this? Is this it?
What is this one, Mila? Rainbow jelly beans?
It's one with like
that
big
one?
jelly beans. Is that slime?
A few minutes later.
My mask. Oh. I hope they have Squishmallows. What's this, Mila?
Now grab something.
What do you have? You want that? What even is that?
Had a milkshake.
Right, they're like, they made that at the crib.
Put that down. Put that back.
What about this?
I got a whole Yoda owl.
Yo, Mavs loves Yoda. Mavs, you see all the Yoda stuff?
What about a water bottle?
Mavs, look. You want that?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let's go find these Fidgets and Squishmallows.
What happened to the other toy he just had?
Just threw it down.
He just puts everything up and grabs something else.
Oh, look at this. Get that one.
Yeah,
Wait, that one doesn't have a hook. You like that one?
Mom, look at this one.
This one.
Oh my god. This one's tie-dye.
Oh, and look, Mila. Look at the squishies.
Those aren't Squishmallows. Mommy, those aren't Squishmallows.
Yeah. From no, you can have one. One. Mila, you want one of these squishies? Look. Oh my God, mine's a look.
Stress balls.
People buying that.
I like this little thing. Look, wait.
Mama, it's not
That's disgusting.
Mommy, do you remember what they used to do? Mommy, they used to be like at one color, and when you press on it, it would turn a different color.
That's what I thought that was.
But these are different.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. So we made it. We made it back from Five Below in Target. Target was an epic fail, but this is everything.
But Target had more lines, but Five Below had all the poppets.
Right. So this is everything we got. We mainly got slime. It feels like we got some We got some poppets.
We got a pink latte.
Oh. All right, y'all want to show them what they do?
Okay, so first we're gonna open the high bouncy punch. Weird. It's hard to like. This one might not.
Let
be
me guess.
very
That's satisfying.
good. Wait, there's paper in it.
Paper.
It separated it with some like metal thing. Yeah. Okay. This one I don't really like. 1 out of 10.
Eat it.
1 out of 10. I give this a 5. It's horrible. This poppet. See what it is. It's a heart, and it. No, it's not a
Oh,
heart.
that's not a heart. Just breathe. Oh, that's cute.
Just breathe.
That's cute.
So then you pop it. Yeah. This is like poppets are the most famous fidgets, so we could only find like poppets in the store.
Right. We only found poppets. We didn't find a bunch of fidgets, so we'll probably have to go out again. But try this one. Why'd you? Oh, that one's a metallic.
This
one.
one's rose gold.
Oh. Yeah. This one's punching the thing.
It's awful.
Look, he's beating it up.
Ooh, I like this. This one.
Oh, that's pretty.
Okay.
That's a poppet, Maverick. You like that?
Next, we should open.
I'm curious to see. Ew. Let me see that one.
It's joke in a jar of poop.
That's disgusting.
I wonder if it smells.
What? It came out?
There's stuff in it.
Ew. What is it? Ew. It's like diarrhea. Does it stink?
No.
That's nasty.
Ew, I don't like it. What is this?
What is that, Mavs? Poop.
No. It's wet kind of because of diarrhea.
That is so gross. Does it stink? No. Feel it. Put it in my hand. Oh! Ew!
It's like poop, actually. actual poop. It looks like
Oh.
It looks like Poe's poop.
That's disgusting. Okay.
It
Next.
has a turd in it.
A turd.
Let's open the Kiwi sign. Fun fact, we just got Starbucks and I got the Kiwi refresher.
It was so good, too.
It was so good.
And she drank it in 2.5 seconds.
Yes. So we're going to get this one.
She drank that thing so fast.
Ooh.
Babe, look at this one. This is so
It has food in
nasty.
it. It has pineapples in it and stuff.
Look, but open it up.
Come on. Feel it.
Touch it. Like, put it in your hand. It looked nasty. Look, ew. Boy.
This Kiwi one.
That's so nasty. Ew, it's like little turds falling out.
It looks like poop. Somebody poop.
They're like doodle.
Let me see.
They're like a dog doodle on the floor. They're like one worms.
Right. That's
They're
gross.
like one pole had worms.
That's nasty.
No.
Never say he not messing with that.
Look, this little cute.
Oh, that's
Kiwi
cool.
one. Look at those seeds. Okay, I give this a 10.
Let me see that one. That's the Nickelodeon slime. I like that one.
I give it a 10.
I like this one.
He said he like the poop one.
We should put some fart spray on this.
Ew, we should have used that one when I did the poop prank on you, babe.
Yeah.
Okay, next we're gonna open this cactus.
What is this?
Pop it.
Poppy, what you doing?
And babe, these are like the hardest toy to find these days.
What am I doing?
Oh, I like that one. I think I like the cactus one. Let me see.
I like the rose
He said, what is
gold.
he doing? Look, he
I
don't
like
know
the
what
rose
he's
gold.
doing.
Daddy, after you pop all of them, you
K-double-O tree got my peoples on this.
KAATV.
K-double-O tree got my daughter on these.
Maja, touch this one.
I'm just messing with you.
I don't get it.
Maja, look at that. There's stuff in it.
Diarrhea?
Isn't that disgusting?
It's diarrhea.
It looks like
Like
it.
little corn. This is how mine looks.
After you pop.
I like the cactus one. Let me see that one again.
Oh, the
Maya,
cactus
did you
one.
see the cactus one?
After you pop,
no.
after you pop all of them, you have to turn it around and pop them again.
Oh gosh. Okay, open up the
This
other
is
one.
kinda
You didn't get the gummy bear one, Mila?
So
Oh, I put
you
it
just do
down.
this.
And then you flip it over and pop it again.
This is boring.
It's a stress reliever.
So they made money.
Babe, maybe you should use that when we getting on your nerves.
This is gonna get on my damn nerves.
Ooh, I like this.
Wait, we haven't opened that yet.
Look. Why are you mad? Something.
It smells like grapes. Grapes?
Can you get it out?
Daddy, what is it called?
Ooh.
Oh, I like that one.
Mommy.
Ooh, I want to see.
Smell it.
I like that one.
Smell it.
I like this one too.
Smell
I like smell it,
Oh, that smells good.
doesn't it? What's in it?
Cubes.
I like that
It's
one.
supposed to be jelly, rainbow jelly cubes.
I like that one.
Stretchy. Wait.
Let me
let's
see,
if
stretch it out.
curls. Okay. Next one.
Wait, stretch it out.
Wait, okay,
I want to
stretch
see how it
it.
stretches out. Whoa, look, Mavs.
It doesn't go back in the jar. Wait.
It's farting. You hear it?
We should make that sound with the poop slime.
Right.
Wait.
That is disgusting.
It doesn't go back in.
And if you gotta get it in or it dries out, right?
Yes. And if it dries out, it's gone.
It looks like you're getting it in. That's from Five Below too.
This, they don't do what they used to do.
What is it supposed to do? Mavs, let me see.
They used to be like, they used to be
It
green.
won't focus. Don't know if y'all can see, but-
They used to be like, let's say they used to be like orange, and then when you turn it in, it would be like yellow. When
Different
you
color.
squish it. Look, this is at the top of it when you open it.
What was that?
Strawberries.
Aww. Now you need help getting that. You should have just let me open all of it. Strawberry. It smells good. Does it? Ooh, Mav, smell.
Good.
Good. He wants those strawberries.
Look, it's like two different. So it's like a separator.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get mixed up. So this is the whipped cream.
See?
This is the whipped cream.
That smells good.
Here, you need help?
Yes. I love the whipped cream and the strawberry. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's smell the strawberry one.
Why'd you do that?
Out of my
It
face.
Oh.
This one's cool too.
Okay, that one smells bad. That one smells like poop.
They all smell pretty similar.
Do it?
Yeah, they all smell like cake or candy.
Oh.
That one smells nasty. Nah, I don't know about that one.
Let me
We're
smell
not
that one.
smelling that one.
Ooh, that smells good, y'all.
Okay. This one's watery than this one.
Ew.
This.
These are cool.
I know, I like that one.
I like this one. Oh.
I like that one.
Maverick won't let me play with anything.
He won't let me play with it either.
Wait, we're missing the
This one's cute though.
Mm-hmm. It's like a little, what is it, a
It
LOL?
looks like a shop.
Oh, a shopkin. That's what I meant.
No,
A
it's not a
shopkin.
Shopkin.
Are those still a thing?
Shopkin.
Look, Maddie.
Yes, but kids don't play with them anymore.
Don't eat it. It's not food.
I like that one that my. I think
do too.
that was my favorite.
I like
I would just sit here and like
This-
watch TV and like squeeze it.
This one. This one is slime rainbow. And
Wait,
it
wait.
says, yeah, it's slime rainbow. It has like little Cheerios in it.
Cheerios.
Cheerios or Cheerios?
Wait, let me get it out.
Cheerios. Let me see. Turn. I can't.
Cheerios.
It's a Play-Doh slime.
Oh, that one looks good. I can tell. Looks like milk slime.
It does.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Can I have this?
No.
Let me see. What's so good about it?
This feels like the slime that you would make in like 2017 and stuff when it was like all like stretchy.
Can I see it?
I used to be obsessed with slime.
Yes, she did. It was
We
all over
used
the
to
house.
sneak slime into like play practices and stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Me and my Asia, sometimes we would make slime.
I remember. Do you need help?
Scissors me! Scissors me!
No.
No.
Let her open it and put the stuff in. Then you can play.
I wonder if I can eat some of this stuff.
No.
It says it has food in it. So
Mila.
this one in.
Oh gosh.
Wait, this looks like food.
Girl just said she wanted to keep it. No, it's not. Don't say that because then Maverick's gonna think it is.
We have to mix it up. This one is hard because the Cheerios.
No, you don't eat that, Mavs. That's not candy.
Ugh.
Put it back in there.
This one I like. Mommy like it.
Whoa.
This
It looks like
one.
string cheese.
Okay.
Last one. That's Nickelodeon slime too.
Lights up.
Oh, it lights up.
Pull tab to active what? It lights up. Nickelodeon slime light up.
All right, guys. So we're gonna end this video now. Mila, what do you think about your slime shopping and fidgets? We had more success in slime than fidgets, but we might have to do a part 2 and try to find some more fidgets,
The
guys.
cool part was we hit the jackpot for slime at Target, but we hit the jackpot for Poppets at Five Below.
That's right. All right. So make sure they do what?
Subscribe.
All right, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that button and subscribe and join the family. And until the next video, guys, we are out.